And what are we collecting?
Leaves and branches, and put them on a basket. We're making camouflage now. There's a fern, and on the back of the fern there's spores. This is a spore, and they're the seeds of a fern. When the wind blows, the spores fall on the ground, and then it makes more ferns with spores on the back. In nature, we can find patterns, 18 petals. Flowers are colorful to attract insects. When butterflies land on flowers, they get stuck to their feet, and when the butterfly gets on another flower, it gets on that other flower and produces more flowers. Birds use their beaks as tools. Birds have different beaks because of the different food they eat. Because some birds, like those, eat worms from the ground, and the long beaks dig in the ground. A pine tree that I'm touching, and the bark is really rough. You see these holes? That's where insects live. They drilled holes in the trees. Here's another flower that has 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A magnolia tree, and the bark is smoother than the oak tree and the pine tree. This is the canopy, and this is the understory. Lots of animals live in the canopy and the understory. There are many kinds of leaves, and this one has jagged edges. Pine cone that a squirrel has eaten. This is pollen. A flower with 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hairs on it, and it's an adaptation.